So I'm here at the studio. The electricity's turned on. It's a Sunday afternoon. I'm getting ready to paint. I just went to Walmart. I'm so thankful, by the way, that the studio is literally around the corner from Walmart. Like, it's so convenient. So here we are in the lobby. These are my paint colors right here. So right now I'm gonna do this murky depths it's called, and that's what this whole room is gonna be. Is that gray color, except for this wall right here, which is gonna be black. So you're getting the exclusive before and after. Looks pretty ratchet. All the fixtures are taken off. I got new ones from Tiger Island. Shout out to Tiger Island, by the way. So yeah, here's the before, and hopefully I'll be able to show you a good after. So I was getting ready to paint, and I realized that I forgot to get a plastic cover to go over the paint tray. So, where there's a will, there's a way. Y'all, I'm painting today. It's ghetto rigged, but you know what? We're gonna get it done. Okay guys, here we go. Finally, the first stroke of paint. I'm so excited. It's gonna look so good. So here we are. Started painting, and I definitely completely forgot that that wall is supposed to be black. So that's awesome. I just wasted all that energy in paint. But we have this wall here, and I'm really tired. But I'm gonna get at least one coat done all the way up. I have to get on the chair in a minute and go up there because I couldn't reach. But yeah, that's the progress so far. It's been about 15 minutes. Wasted all that paint, wasn't happy about it because I got the expensive one, which I'm glad I did because look how much one coat covered, and it's going on so easy, and it's like so much better than the cheap paint. But yeah, I just wasted money, so that's fun. I just finished painting in this room finally. I still think I have to do the trim in some spots, but we're not gonna talk about that right now. I might just leave it, but like, you know, like the molding and stuff like that. But it's all dry, so I'm getting ready to take the tape off, and it's looking really good. Here's the finished project so far. Ignore that trash in the corner. I think it looks really good. I really like the way it turned out. Let me go. So this is like the reception area. This is like an information desk. That's what it's gonna be. Like things that are happening this week. And then the logo is gonna go right here. I think the black wall turned out really good. I really like it. It kind of makes you want to do another one, but I feel like it'd be too much. Then from this angle, and obviously we're gonna get new chairs and stuff like that and decorate, but this is the paint so far. And I love like putting these new fixtures on. Sorry about my hand. Like, I just think it makes it the space, like it just, I don't know, like it just makes it feel like complete after you paint when you put new fixtures on. So I'm really excited. It looks really good. I have to do the trim tomorrow. I was trying to get around it, but there's just like these little marks and stuff like that. Like, I can't get around it, I have to. So I'm gonna do that to paint this door, forgot about that. And then I'm gonna hang some shelves for like some merch and stuff like that. Okay, so this is how easy it is to leave Walmart right there and get to the studio. The parking lot just goes straight into the street. And then restaurant. It's pretty busy tonight. It's a weekend. It's Friday, so. And then you just go straight down. And there's Walmart over there. And then the studio's right up here, just down the street. And then I also recently found out that that right there is Dollar General. And then right in front of that is Ace Hardware. So literally everything that I need is right around the corner from the dance studio. Like, I could walk there if I wanted to. That's how close everything is, which is so nice. And here we are. Hey everyone, so I'm here at the studio painting again. What else would I be doing? I'm painting the actual studio room right now, and I was over here with my mom yesterday painting, and there was this giant roach. It was disgusting, and I hate roaches, and I have a can of poison with me, like spray, in case I ever see one, because I'm scared of them. And so I sprayed it, and then I come in this morning, and he's like sitting. I don't know if I'm gonna show this or I'm gonna blur it out, but he's like I don't even know how that happens. It's dead. It was dead since yesterday. Like, what in the world? That is so creepy. And this place is already kind of creepy when you're here by yourself. So, yeah. And I'm in the lobby right now, and then here's the room that we started painting yesterday. That wall is gonna be blue. I'm gonna do that next, because the gray is getting boring. And I did all the trim and everything except for this wall over here, but we're gonna pretend like we don't see that. And yeah, and also I think I'm gonna get my dad to paint up there because it's too far for me to reach. And these cabinets, I don't know if I'm gonna tear them out right away, or, sorry, this camera's shaky, or if I'm gonna paint them white and leave them for a minute, because I need to tear them eventually for us to extend the wall, but that's not gonna be until at least October, when I can close for like fall break and stuff. This is the wall. It's gonna go, the studio's gonna go all the way back to the back of those counters. So the wall, sorry if this is making you dizzy, but this wall here is gonna be taken out. And so this is gonna be extended to right here. So the entrance of the studio will be this first door. So we'll have all of this extra, like 4 feet of extra space. That's gonna be all this way. So yeah, I'm gonna put some music on and I'm gonna start painting. Okay, so just did one coat on the wall. Well, I guess technically 2, like 1.5. I ran out of paint, so I went to Walmart to get some more, and the base that I need for this color, they don't have the base, and they're not gonna get any more of it till the 21st. So I'm not gonna be able to finish today. I thought about doing the gray because I need to, but I'm just like unmotivated. I need to go home and eat. I might come back later, but I need to go eat something. I'm tired of being in here by myself. I already listened to a bunch of podcasts, so I don't have any new episodes. So yeah, I'm just gonna finish up the edge work, just the trim and the corners with the tape, because I have enough to do that. And then I'm gonna head on home.